Five Below just leveled up. Their new luxury line, 5 Beyond, is packed with premium finds that look high-end, but won't break the bank. From stylish storage solutions to chic patio decor, these items prove you don't need a big box budget to transform your home and garden. Today I'm sharing 7 must-have finds that are perfect for organization, decorating, and making your garden space feel like a dream, all without spending a fortune. Before we dive in, I want to know, where are you watching from? Drop your city in the comments so we can see how far this 5 Beyond hype is spreading. And if you love budget-friendly hacks that look expensive, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's dive in. Item number 1. Wire storage baskets with wood details. First up, these wire storage baskets with wood details are an absolute game changer. Priced at just $5, $6 in the 5 Beyond section, they look like something you'd find at the Container Store for $15, $30. The wood base not only adds a touch of sophistication, it actually keeps smaller items from slipping through the bottom, something most budget baskets miss entirely. They come in multiple finishes, like black and gold, so you can match them to your kitchen, bathroom, or garden space. These baskets are sturdy, stylish, and perfect for anyone who wants their storage solutions to actually look intentional instead of thrown together. But what makes them truly versatile is how many ways you can use them. In the home, they're perfect for pantry organization, corralling toiletries under the sink, or even creating a decorative coffee station. In the garden, they can hold seed packets, small hand tools, or gloves right on your potting bench, keeping everything tidy and accessible. Compared to Dollar Tree, which usually only has plain flimsy wire baskets, these feel expensive without the big price tag. Trust me, once you see them in action, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without them. Item number 2. 3-tier shelving unit. Next we have this 3-tier shelving unit from 5 Beyond, priced between $12 and $20. At first glance, it looks like a simple piece of furniture, but the quality and design instantly elevate it to a high-end dupe for something you'd find at Bed Bath & Beyond for $90 plus. The shelves are sturdy, the construction feels solid, and it comes in multiple styles to fit any room aesthetic. This piece is perfect for adding vertical storage without taking up a ton of floor space, making it ideal for small apartments, kitchens, or even garden corners. It's the kind of find that proves 5 Below isn't just about cheap trinkets anymore. They're bringing real functional style to your home. The best part, its versatility. In the home, it works brilliantly for organizing shoes in an entryway, linens in a closet, or displaying books and decorative ceramics in living areas. For garden lovers, it can serve as an indoor herb display, a seed starting station, or even a mini library for all your gardening guides. Compared to Dollar Tree, which doesn't carry furniture pieces this substantial, this shelving unit feels like a major upgrade at a fraction of the price. Whether you're using it for function or style, it's one of those pieces that instantly makes a space feel curated and organized. Item number 3. Outdoor Edison string lights. Up next are these outdoor Edison string lights, from 5 Beyond, priced around $6, $10 for a 15-count set. At first glance, they might look like ordinary string lights, but the quality is immediately noticeable. Each set stretches 20 feet long, and you can connect up to 18 sets for a truly expansive display. The classic Edison bulb design gives any space a warm upscale vibe, and these lights are weather resistant, so you don't have to worry about them fading or breaking if left outside. It's the kind of detail that makes your patio, deck, or garden feel thoughtfully styled, not just thrown together. Compared to Dollar Tree string lights, which are often short, flimsy, and barely outdoor ready, these feel premium without a premium price. What really makes them shine is how versatile they are for your space. In the garden, they can line pathways, wrap around pergolas, or hang across a patio to create instant evening ambiance. Inside the home, or on a deck, they elevate entertaining areas, making any get-together feel intentional and cozy. Even for practical purposes, they work illuminating work areas for evening gardening or late-night planting sessions. These lights prove that you can get the look of high-end outdoor decor without spending a fortune, and they're one of those 5 Beyond items that instantly make your space feel upgraded. Item number 4, collapsible storage crates. Next up are these collapsible storage crates, ranging from $3.25 for the mini size to $5.55 for the larger versions. At first glance, they look simple, but the clever design makes them a standout 5 beyond. Find, they fold flat when not in use, which saves tons of space, and they come in several trendy colors that add a pop of style wherever you place them. Despite being lightweight, they're sturdy enough to hold heavier items, so you don't have to worry about them tipping or sagging under a load. Compared to the standard plastic crates you might find at Dollar Tree, these feel solid, intentional, and surprisingly versatile for the price. The real magic is in their adaptability. Around the house, they're perfect for closet organization, seasonal storage, or even for tidying up craft supplies and toys. Their aesthetic also makes them work as a decorative storage solution. Color-coordinated bins can make a shelf or pantry look organized and thoughtful rather than thrown together. And for gardening, these crates are incredibly practical. You can transport freshly harvested vegetables, carry hand tools to different beds, or store potting soil and supplies neatly on a shelf or bench. They're a prime example of a small investment that brings major functionality and style to every part of your home and garden. Item number 5, decorative accent furniture. Moving on, we have decorative accent furniture from the 5 Beyond line, priced between $5.55 and $25. This includes pieces like metal rolling carts, side tables, and plant stands that look far more expensive than they actually are. The rolling carts have sturdy frames and smooth wheels, perfect for moving supplies around the house, while the wood grain finishes on tables and stands give any room a polished high-end feel. With multiple configuration options, these pieces aren't just functional, they're stylish, proving that 5 Beyond is bringing real furniture quality items to a budget-friendly price point. Compared to Dollar Tree, which doesn't carry furniture at all, this is a huge step up in both quality and design. The versatility of these pieces is where they really shine. Around the home, a rolling cart can hold craft supplies, cleaning essentials, or even serve as a mini coffee station. Side tables and corner shelves add style and storage to small spaces without crowding them. In the garden or on a patio, plant stands create tiered displays for indoor greenery. A rolling cart can become a mobile potting station, and larger tables double as serving areas for outdoor entertaining. These accent furniture pieces prove that with just a small investment, you can add both function and sophistication to your spaces inside and out. Item number 6, premium storage containers and food prep sets. Next we have 5 Beyond's premium storage containers and food prep sets, priced between $5 and $10 for multi-piece sets. These aren't your typical budget containers. The sets include up to 42 pieces, are BPA-free, and come with airtight lids that truly keep food fresh. They're microwave and dishwasher safe, so they're as practical as they are stylish. Compared to Dollar Tree containers, which often lack airtight seals and durability, these sets feel substantial and built to last. The clean, cohesive design also makes them look polished on open shelving, or in the pantry, giving your storage a coordinated high-end feel without the big box price tag. The versatility of these containers goes beyond the kitchen. For home organization, they're perfect for meal prep, pantry decanting, or keeping craft supplies neatly sorted. In the garden they can be used to store and organize seeds by variety, keep fertilizers or soil amendments dry, or even pack snacks for long gardening sessions. The airtight lids make them especially useful for preserving seeds and delicate materials that need protection from moisture. These storage sets are one of those 5 Beyond finds that combine style, practicality, and durability, proving that functional items don't have to look cheap. Item number 7, Outdoor Patio Decor Bundle and Weather Station. Finally, we have the ultimate 5 Beyond outdoor upgrade. A patio decor bundle paired with a weather station priced between $10 and $25. The set includes weather-resistant throw pillows, coordinated decorative accents, and a small indoor-outdoor weather station to monitor temperature and humidity. This isn't just about looks. The coordinated color schemes and functional tech make your outdoor space feel curated and intentional. Compared to Dollar Tree, which has basic outdoor items, This bundle brings both style and practicality to your patio, balcony, or garden. It's the kind of find that turns ordinary outdoor seating into a cozy, welcoming, and well-planned environment. The uses for this bundle are incredibly versatile. Organization-wise, the weather station helps you plan gardening tasks efficiently, while the decorative baskets and crates included in some sets can store cushions or supplies neatly. For home decor, the pillows and accents create a cohesive outdoor aesthetic that elevates your entertaining space. And for gardening enthusiasts, monitoring temperature and humidity ensures your plants thrive, while comfy seating allows you to enjoy your hard work in style. Whether you're hosting friends or just relaxing in your garden, this bundle proves that 5 Beyond can turn even small outdoor areas into an inviting high-end retreat without a luxury price tag. And there you have it, 7 5 Beyond finds that prove you don't need a big box budget to elevate your home, garden, and organization game. From stylish wire baskets to functional accent furniture and even tech-savvy outdoor decor, each item offers the perfect balance of style, practicality, and affordability. All 7 pieces together cost roughly $65, $85, but their combined retail value would easily top $300, $400, showing that 5 Beyond is bridging the gap between dollar stores and high-end retailers. These products aren't just budget-friendly, they're smart, versatile, and designed to make any space feel curated and intentional. Now it's your turn. Tell me, which of these items are you running to Five Below to grab first? Share your 5 Beyond finds in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly organization, home decor, and gardening tips. Follow us on Instagram for daily inspiration and behind-the-scenes hacks, and keep an eye out for our next video where we'll uncover even more affordable finds that look like $1 million. Your dream home and garden setup is just a 5 Beyond trip away.